Running marathons? That's hard. So why not kick back on your couch and watch some movie marathons instead?
I could do this all day.
I got a bunch of movie marathons that you should be starting right now to keep you entertained during this quarantine.
Film critic and YouTuber Zach Pope is giving us 3. Starting with the Planet of the Apes trilogy that began back in 2011.
This Planet of the Apes trilogy did more than just focus on the human beings. It actually focused on the apes, which is something that the original never did, and was one of the most interesting aspects of this franchise.
We are not savages. Apes fight only to survive.
Those apes, whose performances were brought to life with performance capture technology, led each of the 3 films to be nominated for the Best Visual Effects Oscar.
You could either start one right now or binge all 3 in over one weekend. Trust me, it's gonna be worth your time.
Apes together, strong.
And if 3 movies isn't enough for you, start a movie marathon of the 11 Star Wars movies.
This is the best franchise to get into right now. You get taken to a galaxy far, far away. There's ships, there's aliens, there's lightsaber duels, there's everything that you could imagine.
Long have I waited.
The sci-fi franchise has been around a long time, beginning back in 1977 with A New Hope, and just last year, The Rise of Skywalker hit theaters.
If you've never seen a Star Wars movie before, start with Episode 7, The Force Awakens. It gets you right into gear, gets you intrigued with the world, and makes you want to head back on in and see what this whole world is all about.
The Force will be with you.
Always. And finally, the longest movie marathon on Zach's list by far, the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
There's 23 fantastic movies for you to get sucked in, and they all connect in certain ways. And that's why it makes such a great marathon to watch during this quarantine right now.
No way we all get through this. I got no plans tomorrow night.
What's crazy is how fast these films have been churned out, starting with 2008's Iron Man all the way up to the latest Spider-Man Far From Home.
The MCU is not just entertaining, hilarious, but it's actually really emotional in the way that it makes you care about each and every one of the characters and where they end up in this world.
I was just trying to be like you.
I wanted you to be better.
Movie marathons to keep you entertained on the hot list.